In today's video, I will walk you through how to batch pay bills in Xero. To begin, navigate to the Purchases section from the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Click on Purchases to open the available options, then select Bills. This will take you to the area where you can view your bills and their current status. Once you're in the Bills section, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This filters the list so you're only viewing bills that are still waiting to be paid. With this list displayed, you can focus on the invoices that are ready to be included in a batch payment. Next, look through the list of bills. You'll see a checkbox next to each one. Select the checkboxes for every bill you want to include in the batch payment. As you make your selections, review the amounts and the due dates to make sure you've chosen the correct bills before continuing. After you've selected all the bills you want to pay, click the Make Payment button. This will take you to the next stage, where you'll see the available payment options. From those options, choose Batch Payment. This groups all of the selected bills into a single batch payment. Once you've selected the batch payment option, you'll need to enter the payment details. Start by entering the payment date, then choose the bank account you'll be paying from. After that, add any payment reference you want to include for the transaction. Before moving on, review the payment details you've entered. Check the payment date, confirm the bank account, and make sure any reference information is correct. Also, take a final look at the bills you've selected to confirm they're the ones you want to include in this batch payment. When everything looks correct, click Make Payment to complete the process. Xero will process the batch payment using the information you've entered and the bills you've selected. Once the payment has been created, the batch payment process is complete. The selected bills have now been included in the same payment, and you've successfully finished the batch payment process in Xero. Those are all the steps required. Go to Purchases, open Bills, select the Awaiting Payment tab, choose the bills you want to pay, click Make Payment, select Batch Payment, enter the payment details, review everything, and click Make Payment to finish. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.